This is a virtual tour of 1436 Gentle Rain Drive in Lancaster. We've got 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2,120 square feet. Just walking in the front door, you can see we've got wood floors throughout all the common areas. This is our formal living and dining room. Walk straight forward here. Got a good sized utility room here. Lots of storage. This is our family room and breakfast area. We are almost done here. We're getting new ceiling fans put in and new dishwasher and new stove. So don't mind these boxes and old appliances. Around the corner from the family room here is the entrance to the garage on our left. This is the master bedroom. And bathroom. Here are our other bedrooms. The first bedroom can be used as a study or a bedroom. Got these beautiful French doors. There is a closet, so you have the choice of using it as a bedroom. Here is our hallway, our hall bathroom, and 2 additional bedrooms. That completes our tour.